Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shrinath with another video. Today I am going to discuss about the two things I recently bought in Amazon.in. One is this mini tripod, another one is SJ6 Legend SJ Cam. So both I ordered in Amazon.in and today I am going to unbox and review it. So sit back and enjoy and come back.
Thank you.
Thank you. Madam, phone number is it? No, I can't show. Guys, these are the two things I ordered from the Amazon.in. Actually, yesterday I ordered. This is SJ6 Legend action camera. This cost around 12,500. And this one is a mini pod with mobile holder. This cost me around 650 rupees. Yesterday only I ordered this one. I received today. This is a fast delivery. Amazon, that big thumbs up for Amazon. So quickly we will unbox these two things and we'll show you what are the things inside. So, chalo. See, this is SJ6 Legend. Here you can verify your product. You can scratch here, you will get the number. You can put it in a site and can verify. Here is to download the app, SJ app. The back side it is given the specification. See, these are the things we are getting in the box. So let it open. First one is camera. You can see the build quality of camera is quite impressive and it's quite a premium looking camera. You can see this is quite grippery, so you can grip it very properly. It is having 2-inch touchscreen display in the back side. Here you can see one tripod mount. That is very good feature. Here it is battery case. You can remove the battery by pressing here. This one is the settings button. This is power button. This one camera's on and off button. Along with that, you can getting one front display. It is not there in the SJ7. That is good. Along with you are getting one USB port and external mic port and charging port. This external mic port is not there in the SJ4000 and it is there for SJ6 and SJ7. So that is very good feature for motor vlogging people. That's a big thumbs up. And along with you can see some sensors and LED indicators. Its overall look is very nice, and if you rate for the look, out of 10 I can give 9. If you see SJ7 look, it is having aluminum body, so it is having a ton of now we are going to discuss about the accessories we are getting along with this camera. We are getting a lot of accessories. We'll talk one by one. First one is waterproof case. In this case is getting along with this camera. This is waterproof case. Okay, you can go to underwater and all using this case. I'll show you how to open this case. You can see the notch over here. You can press like this. It is given how to press over here, then try to open this. See, you can open. You press over here and pull it over. Then you can open the door. Then you can place the camera. Then close the back door. After that, close this one. It's done. So again I will show you. Press over here, press here, and try to open this symbol. So you'll get this. This is waterproof cover, guys. So this is waterproof, guys. While using this case, you can't speak. Your voice is not recording properly. Also, you can't use touch screen over here in camera. So that they are giving one more accessories, that is the touch screen back door. So you can replace this door with this one, so that you can use this as a touch screen. Also your voice will record in this using this case. So these are the two things we are getting along with. Next one, we are moving to this frame mount. In this frame mount, sometimes you can't use this one waterproof case. That times you can use the frame mount. This is very nice build quality. This build quality is very nice, and this is very useful thing. You can place your camera inside this mount. See, you can see. So there we can mount on your helmet or whatever. So I will show you how to mount it. As of now, we will keep it aside. Next one we are getting is bicycle mount. I will show you bicycle mount. See, this one is bicycle mount. You can keep your bicycle or bike handlebar here. You can loose your screw. After that, you can place your camera over here like this. See, you can see now. Then you can use this screw. This screw to tighten this camera over the mount. So you can fit over here. So it will come like this. Okay. So we'll keep it here. We are getting one 360-degree mount brackets. This 360-degree, one is arc bracket, one is parallel 360-degree parallel bracket. Why this is called 360-degree? I will show you what's the difference. This one is arc mount. Why? Because you can see it's a little bit curvy surface. So if you're having some helmet, curvy helmet surface, you can remove this. You can attach this arc 360-degree arc bracket. Why is called 360 means you can press it and you can rotate. You can press it and rotate. You can see now. See, this is the use of this. This is arc one. If you have a flat surface, you can use the parallel arc mount. This is parallel. It's the same thing. You can press it and rotate. like a previous one. This is a parallel one. These are the two accessories you are getting. You can stick in your helmet. This side is sticky. You can remove it and stick it, and then you can use this slide mount. So I can show you this slide mount. You can slide it like this. You'll get on sound, click sound. Now it is mounted. See, now the same thing I'll show you. I'll remove this one. You can mount over this one the similar way. Then you can use this screw to tighten. So it will be in your helmet, and you can mount over the helmet like this. So this is the use of this one. Both, this is curvy and this is flat. So these are, we'll keep aside. The same thing, this curved and flat mount. This is not 360-degree brackets. These are static one, because there is no rotating thing over here. Same usage. This is parallel one. This is curved one. You can remove it and use this. How to remove also I will tell. See, you can see you on arrow mark here. You just to pull upside. First you can remove this camera for safety purpose. Then you can pull upside and pull upside and try to push. That's it. Pull upside and push, up and push. That's it. Same way we can use this one in this. Slide it over, pull upward, then fix it. Okay. Switch supports. These are the switch supports for variable various angle. This is switch support 1, 2 and 3. 3 switch supports are getting. You can fix the camera in different angle. Same way you can use the screw over here, and you can place switch supports are there. Nothing new about that. Also you are getting two external tabs, 3mm tabs. This is both side is sticky. If you want to stick your mount, you can use this extra tab you are getting. You can remove that old tab and use this new one. Next we are getting is adapters. This is very important thing. We are getting adapters. You can use in tripods or mini tripods, like mini tripod like that. I will mount. I actually bought one more mini mount. As you know, I'll open it. I'll show you how to mount this one adapters over there. This is very useful thing. You can place the mount camera over there and use this screw. It's simple. So we are almost covered. Along with we are getting one lens cap. This we can avoid. We can protect the lens cap while getting scratches. Then main thing is this charger. This charger is quite lengthy and good quality thing. I think this is nice. We'll keep aside. And one wiper also getting to wipe your lenses and accessories. And SJ stickers. I think this is pretty big. It could have been a little bit small. Then we can stick our bike and all this. I think it is. Anyway, keep it. Then one manual. Here everything is given. See here you can scan and get your SJ app. This iOS and Android. Okay, these are the things we are getting in SJ6. Actually, I'm missing one mount is a curved mount. Then chin, you can, if you mounting a camera in chin, the curve mount it will be used. It will helpful. We are missing that curve mount. You have to purchase extra for that. Apart from that, almost all accessories we are getting. Compared to this Hero Pro, we have to buy external accessories. Also, it is not support that external mic. So also the video quality also I'll show you how it is. You can compare with GoPro or any other action camera. So we'll see as some sample footage. Hi guys, now it is recording in SJ Legend Cam with internal mic. We are not using any internal external mic. So you can compare this video quality and audio quality. Hello, check 1 2 3 check. The purpose of making this video is to check how the video quality and audio quality. Along with one thing, I already told one mini tripod. It is Octopus mini tripod. It's flexible and you can bend it and use any direction. It is very handy and very useful. I like it. See, while doing vlog, we can use this. Along with three more accessories we got. One is this mobile holder, and another one is few adapters for DSLR as well as action camera we can fix. So I will show you how to use this. So first you can see simply fixing this mobile holder over here. This is a universal mobile holder, so it will fix all the mobiles. So along with mine, this is my Apple i7. So I am fixing this in here. Raghav, can you help? Oh, that's. So you can pull it down and fix it. See, you can. This is very handy. You can change the direction. You can use like any direction. You can bend. It is very handy. So vlogging and selfie, you can use as a selfie stick. Also vlogging, also it is very handy. Also along with this, we can get this adapter. You can remove this and keep it and you can mount your action camera over here or DSLR, anything you can use. These two adapters we are getting. So it is nice. So hope you enjoy the video and see you in the next time in another video. Till then, bye. Hi guys, this is night footage. This is pretty dark here. You can see how dark night footage will be. This is my street. Just check it out.